Please notice that this time we have quadratic equation which has no constant. This equation is called incomplete quadratic equation. And again, we are going to use the method of factoring. Please notice that from these two terms I can factorize x. And inside of the parentheses I'm going to have 7x plus 1 equals 0. Please notice that in order to make this equation balance, this product of these two factors is supposed to be equal 0. So I can say that x must be equal 0, because 0 times these parentheses will give me 0, or 7x plus 1 has to be equal 0 too. I have to solve this equation for x. Move 1 to right side, and I have 7x equals -1. In order to find the value of x, I have to divide both sides equation by 7. 7 and 7 will cancel out, and I have x equals -1, 7. Okay, I found two values of x. In order to verify these two answers, you're supposed to substitute x's in the original equation by 0 and later on by -1, 7. So copy down the original equation. You have 7x squared plus x is equal 0. And I have 7 times 0 to the second power plus 0 is equal 0. 0 to any power gives me 0. 0 times 7 is 0 plus 0 is 0. 0 is equal 0. So this is correct answer. And let's check this one. We have 7x squared plus x is equal 0. So instead of x, I have to write -1, 7. So I have -1, 7 second power plus -1, 7 is equal 0. I have 7. -1, 7 to the second power is equal 1 over 49. Positive times negative gives me -1, 7 equal 0. 7 and 49 are going to cancel out, and you are going to end up with 1, 7 minus 1, 7 is equal 0. 1, 7 minus 1, 7 gives me 0, so I have 0 equals 0. Left side of my equation is equal to the right side, so this answer is also correct. So these two values of x, this is the right solution to my problem.